second team who are going to show us their presentation. That is Greenland Dashboard for Cities. Let's have a look at a short video all about them.
Today, cities are fighting strong challenges like pollution, security, and climate change.
We love cities, we love data,
and we believe that a data-driven approach can easily support better actions improving the quality of our life. Thanks to the EU and DSA, we have many datasets available for data experts, but hard to use for the city administrators. To solve this problem, we developed the Greenland app, a cloud application for high-level city monitoring, which can generate quality indexes and strong data-driven scenarios that are easy to use for city experts. We bring together a strong team, with data engineers, city architects and developers committed to this mission.
I'm Lorenzo.
I'm Andrea.
I'm Giulia.
I'm Damiano.
And we are the Greenland team.
Thank you for having us today. I'm Lorenzo, and today with Andrea, we drive you inside of the Greenland app. Here we are. Okay, so we believe that data can really support decision makers in the cities to take better action in order to solve the problem they have. And we know that with data, we can better understand what is the problem that they have in the city, like, for example, pollution or the climate change. But as today, we are able to get data from cities, but cities don't have the tools to handle it. For this reason, we started to build the Greenland app. And we built the app with with an idea to solve other two problems in the cities, reduce the data silos that they have, and reduce the system proliferation that we have in the cities around Italy and in Europe. Offering a tool that is a very focus on data and can create like a solution to offer and understand the current situation that there are in the urban context. So the Greenland app is a cloud service accessible to every European cities. It's designed for municipalities and decision makers and offers useful insight coming from geodata and satellite data, with the goal to give a tool that supports the decision maker to take the right decision for their investment inside of the cities. But how we start? We started collecting data. We started collecting open data from the Istat and Census, like the Italian administrative limits, land consumption, production and housing, and the resident population. And then we added to this data the satellite data, taking like data from satellite, from Copernicus, like the 10 kilometers grid, and like the land monitor services. Collecting all with this data in one single data space, we started to analyze this data. And thanks to machine learning and algorithm, we develop a lot of predictive scenarios on that. And we generate quality city index. Now we are able to understand what is the pollution, the air quality. We generated index about the land consumption, urbanization, and so on and so on. But at a certain point, we decided to offer all this information to municipality throughout a very simple dashboard, very intuitive dashboard that offers a high-level monitor of the cities. With the Greenland app right now, we are able to measure the green areas in the city, to show the land consumption, to show, thanks to the satellite, the green health of the trees. We can compare green areas versus citizen. We can compare green areas per citizen, offering a tool where the decision maker can really understand where to invest in order to improve the green of the cities. But why we started with the green? Because we believe that trees are the best tool that we have in order to fight pollution. It's the best tool that we have in order to fight the climate change. With trees, we can reduce the peak of heat that we have in the summer in the cities. With trees, we can reduce the CO2 in the cities. So we believe that a municipality that take care about the trees and the green inside is a municipality that have a lot of happy citizens. We're piloting the application in Perugia this year with the goal to offer and provide thematic dashboard for data visualization and decision-making process. The application now is running, And we are working to offer the tool accessible online to all the Italian municipality before the end of the year. But thanks to the experience that we had with Perusia, we developed other two dashboards, one related to welfare and one related to economy, giving to the municipality a complete overview how the green, the economy, and the welfare of the citizens are connected inside of the city. Now, before to close, I let you present, I want to present a demo, but maybe, okay, it's working, good. So now here you see when you log in the platform, you can see that you can drill down the data. There are different types of visualization that you can have. So you can see like you can surf the map and monitor the information related to one specific place. With the app, you have different data visualization tools, like monitor the green areas, soil consumption, understanding the green health that you have in the city. Then, for each category, you have different indexes, and you can drill down data using the map. For example, when you click on green and citizen, you have an overview about the ratio between people and the green available. You can see how many square meters of green per habitant you have, which is the green status and how the green areas are accessible for the citizen. Or you can click on the green health to understand how many trees are sick, for example, in the city. The information allows the administration to control in one shot all the green status of their land. So then when you click on the left side of the menu, you can get access to the other dashboard. The second one is related to welfare. Opening the dashboard, administrators can deeply analyze where in the city there are like family and young people and the distribution of the welfare there, or the foreign cities, for example. You can check how many young and children are in the city, and all the situation that family, in the situation that family will. You can, of course, drill down the data and having different like tools and information that support the municipality to analyze and better understand certain condition of people inside of certain type of area of the city. The last dashboard we have is the economy. With the economy, we can measure like the relation between jobs and company, for example, or how the company and the residents and companies are distributed inside the cities. And all of this information can support the municipality to really connect data from economy, welfare, and trees, offering like a very point tool that give great information coming out from the data. And the cool thing is, thanks to the open data, we are able like to open this platform to all European cities in very, very fast. So thank you very much for listening.
Well, thank you. Once again, another lovely place like Perugia inspiring the app. We have a couple of questions coming in. First of all, who's your target user? Is it city officials? Is it the average individual?
Hi.
Yeah.
The main user is the officers and the people that are working for the public administration, local and regional, but there is a functionality that can extend these dashboards also to the end users, to the citizens. So there are some specific dashboards that may be interesting also for the end user, for the citizen, and it's possible to deliver this through, for example, the citizen app in the city or other websites or whatever.
Now, we have a couple of questions very closely related. You mentioned spreading it out beyond Perugia. How easy would it be to offer to other cities, and how scalable is it?
It's very scalable, and we worked a lot on the standardization of data models. We created a data space that is already set up to be adapted to different census, to different data of different areas. So we can translate the different open data on citizen population to be adapted together with other main data sets. It's a complex set of data sets that we are using, but we worked to create a data space that can be shared and common to most of the European countries. And for the satellite data that we process internally from the scratch, we are able to manage all the world, and we are also Copernicus downstream use case. And for this, we are very happy and proud to be here.
And do you have any other cities on board yet?
Yes, we have already some cities. The main deployment is the one that Lorenzo quoted, the city of Perugia, but we worked also with some proof of concept also in the US.
And then finally, are you sharing any of the new data generated with third parties or others?
Yeah, we have the objective of this is to create something that is not only for decisions, but also to be reusable. So we create open data from processing a set of different data sets of open data.
And then finally, someone has just commented that it would be very interesting to do analysis on rich versus poor in the city, as well as terms of pollution, traffic, and the number of cities.
Yes, the economic dashboard that you have seen very quickly, that is very tightly connected to the green one, can show these kind of things. And the complex of this information can bring the citizen and the city to decide the best for the evolution of the same city.
Well, thank you very much. Best of luck.
Thank you.
We're going to turn now to Team 3 for the